guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be talking about a simple makeup hack with just one product that can change and elevate your face appearance. We all have sleepless nights and looking fresh the next morning isn't that easy. But with this easy life-changing hack, you can brighten up your face and eyes both. Today I'll be talking about the importance of mascara and how investing in a good one can be a total game changer. Just whip some good mascara on your lashes and girl, you are all set ready. I have been acting since the age of 9 and I can tell you what a good mascara does. My current favorite mascara is the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. I have more than one reasons to like it. Number one being it's used by almost all the international influencers I follow on YouTube. And you know the thing I like about the L'Oreal Paris is one product and its availability throughout the world. You can get your hands on the latest trends in the world in your own mother country. Second being the wavy bristles on the brush. Trust me when I say I have been using mascara for a very long time. In fact, more than eyeliner, I have used mascara to open my eyes. My eyelid shape is hooded and days when I haven't slept properly, the puffiness rises to another level, making my eyes almost invisible. But L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara is a wonder product for my eyes. 1 to 2 strokes with this wavy bristles and you have the perfect coverage to your lashes. Wow, you can see the visible difference in both eyes. The wavy shape that you see of the bristles is the reason for the dramatic difference between both eyes. The wavy fibers hold more formula than a straight bristle, which is why in just one swipe you see the difference. The wavy bristles also catch each eyelash and coat it with the formula to give you long lashes in just one coat. They gently embrace every eyelash, creating a black film more even. The wavy fibers are more dense. They tightly catch every lash, allowing an efficient lengthening effect. And the hourglass shape of the applicator is best to add volume to your lashes. Let me apply the mascara on the left eye to give a perfect dramatic look. I'm done. Look how this pocket-sized product can make a huge difference to your look. It instantly brightens the face. Apart from the amazing bristles, this product is a perfect buy for you. L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise is made with oils with hair growth properties like castor oil, rose oil and cornflower extract. And also Lash Paradise in particular has waterproof smooth glide balmy formula. This is your foolproof mascara, gives you full lash fringes with feathery soft feel and fanned out effect to give you a perfect look in a jiffy. The main part is the magic wand, or in this case, the applicator. I'm off for a busy bustling day, have a couple of shoots lined up, and I'll show you how my mascara is still intact after 6 to 7 working hours. No touch up. Oof, the heat, it's never ending in Mumbai. But check my eyelash game, isn't it still strong? Full intact and lashes still look fluttery and smudge free. No flaking or drying. This lasts all day and is completely waterproof. Look at this luxurious pink packaging and this hourglass brush shape. Dun-dun-dun. It's an affordable purchase in the market and best for adding volume to lashes. Like always, my most trusted brand L'Oreal Paris brings you a cost-effective mascara at just $7.99. You should definitely try this one, guys. Click on the link in description box below to avail this product right now. For more such makeup hacks, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys. Bye-bye.